Hi and welcome to SuperG's video review of the Cooler Master NovaTouch TKL. I will cover the keyboard features and end with some of my thoughts about it. The NovaTouch is a Tenkeyless keyboard, which is great if you have a smaller desk space or if you're after a minimalist design. The construction feels solid and durable, as any mechanical keyboard of this price should. It weighs just under 900 grams, and there's also a removable 1.8 meter long braided cable, which is super handy if you want a keyboard you can take to work or LAN parties. Up top, you have the repeat rate keys, and to the right of it are the media keys. The NovaTouch also supports full end key rollover for Windows users, which makes it great for gaming, and combined with the repeat rate adjustment keys, you can be almost sure you won't get stuck diving for cover or failing quick time events. The NovaTouch is different from the majority of the mechanical keyboards because it features Topre switches, which are made in Japan. Unlike the popular Cherry MX, which are mechanical, the NovaTouch features hybrid capacitive switches, which is something between a rubber dome and a mechanical switch. The Topre switches have 45 grams of actuation force, tactile feedback with its actuation of 1mm, which you can barely feel, and a 4mm travel distance to bottom out. This means that typing on a NovaTouch is super quiet, unbelievably smooth and effortless. It feels kind of like Cherry Reds, but sturdier, smoother, and quieter without the clackiness. Let's do a quick sound test with a mouse click for reference. Lastly, what makes the NovaTouch extra special is that it's the first Topre keyboard to feature Cherry MX compatible stems. This will allow you to fit practically any set of Cherry MX keycaps, and it's an absolute plus because keycaps for Cherry MX switches are widely available online, and you'll be able to tailor the NovaTouch to your liking quite easily. So just a quick summary. Although it comes with a pretty hefty price tag that might put most off, it's still a great entry-level Topre keyboard since they usually cost around £160 for the real force and significantly more for the happy hacking keyboards. The Topre switches that come with the NovaTouch offer a quiet, effortless, and smooth typing experience and the flexibility to customize with Cherry MX keycaps, which is super cool. The NovaTouch also offers full end key rollover, a removable cable for portability, and repeat rate keys, which can be handy for gaming. And it is solidly built for durability, and so it's not surprising that it comes with a 2-year warranty. The price you pay is for entry into the premium niche for Topre keyboards. If you get the chance to try it out and love the switches, this keyboard is the way to go. It's also great for those who are already into the switches but crave the customization options that the Cherry MX keyboards offer. So at the time of this review, the NovaTouch is going for just under £135, and for this price you'd expect RGB or at the very least a backlit feature. There isn't even a light indicator for the caps lock and scroll lock keys, which might get annoying after a while. If you're looking for Tenkeyless options with more bang for the buck, you can find on the Overclocker's website the CM Storm Quickfire Rapid Eye, which is fully backlit and comes with cherry browns for just under £90, and the Corsair K65, which comes with cherry reds for just under £100. These are great Tenkeyless form keyboards that won't break the bank if all you're simply seeking is a mechanical keyboard to upgrade from your cheap basic keyboard. The NovaTouch also comes with the cheaper ABS keycaps, which if you plan to be using this keyboard for years to come, you will probably want to spend extra to upgrade to the more durable PBT keycaps. So there's definitely more pros and cons. The price tag will likely put off shoppers for a new mechanical keyboard, but as I've mentioned before, it's still a great keyboard if you want to get into Topre switches, and it's also ideal for Topre lovers who want to easily customize their keyboard. That's it for my review. I hope you found it helpful. I would like to give a shout out to Cooler Master and Overclockers UK. This video would not have been possible without the NovaTouch TKL community tour. Thanks for watching.